Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry and I'm here to show you where you can get the Feedback Resonator upgrade for your Sonic Resonator gun that you need in order to free the final Angel Comb for Subnautica 2 Early Access. So I'm over here at the research outpost, which is about 1,300 meters directly east of the life pod. If you're coming from the life pod, just go straight east and then bob along the surface until you're directly over the alien ruins. You should see this massive tower when you get close, just underneath the water's surface. And from here, we're going to spin around, and the first fragment, because this is in a set of 2 fragments, is going to be between East and 105. So we're going to go straight to between East and 105. And what we're looking for right now is a rocky outcropping with one of the wrecks of the cicada next to it. We're going to be passing this large sort of alien generator here, power plant, off to our right. And what we're looking for is a specific rocky outcropping with one of 2 different giant chunks of the cicada. There's actually 2 of them. One of the rocky outcroppings a little bit over to the southeast of me right now, and it's a little bit taller. You can explore both of them. You'll be able to find it when you find the one that has the correct shaped rocky outcropping. You'll know it when you see it, sort of a deal. So I guess it's a little bit off, sort of more to the 120 on the exact opposite side of the power plant from the research station. But this is the one that you're looking for. You've got a sort of mushroom shaped rock to your right. And then here you have a sort of a smaller piece of broken off ship debris. And you want the one that has a big open door. There's another one with like a big open hatch, but you want one that's got a big old open door. And it's covered in all of these giant alien spears. Somebody was having a good old time here. And inside of here, you'll find a black box along with some other equipment, a survival multi-tool, and some titanium. But what you want is in this room right here. There's a Feedback Resonator fragment. It's sort of like some alien looking nonsense. Give that one bad boy a scan, and that is the first of 2 pieces. Once you've got all that out of the way and you've clicked on this black box, if you haven't already gotten it, we are going to proceed to the next portion. So the next piece that we're looking for is going to require us to go really deep down. So if you don't have the depth module for your Tadpole yet, I definitely recommend you go get it. And then once you do, we're going to go down directly underneath of this power plant, down to where I have a marker for the Angel Comb, and we're going to follow that particular Angel Comb's tentacles over to the northeast. The thing that we're looking for next is going to be in what looks like a giant pool of acid, surrounded by fish that could be best described as very hungry bulldogs. So here's the Angel Comb directly underneath, and we're going to follow this tentacle that goes to the northeast, and we're going to go as low as we can without getting crushed to death. That's important because as we approach over here, going towards this acid pool, there's going to be a collector leviathan that likes to float overhead, and he can be very hungry if you get his attention. But as long as you stay low enough where all these other fish like to hang out, you should be completely fine. Now, these guys are fairly aggressive when you are outside of your ship. So if you don't, I definitely recommend bringing some distraction flares with you, just in case when you're exploring this area. Here you can also find the automatic resource gathering machines. You just scan these big, tall standpipe units, and the materials that you need in order to craft them are scattered all around this area. They're kind of an off-green color. Now, what we're looking for is literally right down below us right now. We're going to swim down here I'm actually going to put out a flare. And what we're looking for is literally right down here. In the middle of all this, we're going to give this bad boy a scan. And now we have both of our resonator fragments.
Dangerous trend of adapting alien technology to Altera devices.
And so with that, we can now start breaking some of the more advanced stuff inside. Alright, once you're back at your base, you will need a modification station in order to build this. You can find one that's broken to scan inside of the research outpost. And the improved Sonic Resonator is going to take 2 enameled glass, 2 strontium, and 2 conduit crystals. You can find the conduit crystals and the materials that you need to make strontium below the power generator. So I hope you found this helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.